Hey guys, Rory here from Tuff Streeters. We're back with our latest giveaway, this mighty clean VY Maloo.
Josh here. Now we're simplifying our giveaways. We're giving you guys a low cap of 3,500 entrants. Now we don't do memberships, so your chances of winning this masterpiece is higher. Come take a look. All right guys, so the HSV Maloo is sporting an LS1 with a 6-speed manual. We've gone and lowered this car on King Springs. We've wrapped it in 20-inch momo style wheels. We've thrown a custom exhaust behind this to get it sounding just how a Maloo should. So for the inside, we've gone ahead and we've got custom interior, black leather with the white diamond stitch. This just sets the standard for this car and truly pays homage to what a Maloo should look like.
All right guys, this giveaway is going for 3 weeks and we're capping this at only 3,500 entrants.
Now, for the first 2 weeks, we're giving you guys double entries. And that is your best chance at taking home this beast. So head to our website, www.tuffstreeters.com.au and secure your spot today.